Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will explain the Android camera black screen issue. When you encounter beautiful scenery or architecture, you might stop to take out your phone and capture the moment. But when you open your phone's camera, your Android phone camera shows a black screen. Whether it's the front or rear camera, the screen is completely black, and you can't take pictures. Users experiencing this problem, please don't panic. You can first understand the reasons why your camera is showing a black screen on your Android phone, and then try the following methods to fix the Android camera black screen problem. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch this video patiently. Why does my Android camera have a black screen? The common reasons for an Android phone's camera being completely black are as follows. 1. Insufficient storage space. When the storage space on your Android device is insufficient to support the camera's operation, the Android camera will show a black screen. 2. Software malfunction. When a software on your Android phone malfunctions, it may also affect the camera application, causing the Android phone camera to display a black screen. 3. Camera malfunction. Problems with the camera itself can also cause this issue. For example, damage to the Android camera, water damage, etc. After understanding the reasons for the Android phone camera black screen, it's time to try the specific steps to fix the Android camera black screen. The following solutions are carefully compiled by us. Please patiently try each method, and we believe one of them will help you fix the Android black camera screen. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to restart your device. The simplest method, restarting your device, is often the most effective. Restarting clears some of the phone's cache and temporary glitches. Restarting your phone also restarts the programs and system on your Android phone. Therefore, some minor software errors can be eliminated by restarting your phone. To solve the Android phone camera app black screen problem by restarting your phone, please follow my steps. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon, and your phone will restart. Wait patiently for the restart to complete, and then open the camera again to test if it's working normally. Method 2 is to check your storage space. Memory is one of the essential components for an Android phone to function. If an Android phone has insufficient memory, it may experience lag, black screens, crashes, and the Android camera may show a black screen. Therefore, the importance of memory to a mobile phone is self-evident. To verify if there is sufficient storage space, please follow these steps. To check and clear storage space, first, open your phone's settings, and in the settings, find and tap General Management. After entering the General Management interface, tap Storage. In the Storage interface, check if your available space is less than 15% or less. If so, please free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. After cleaning up the storage space, open the camera again to check if the camera still doesn't work and has a black screen. Method 3 is troubleshooting third-party applications. Safe mode is the best way to troubleshoot third-party applications because safe mode runs the Android phone without running any third-party applications. If you suspect that your Android camera stopped working and is completely black due to a third-party application, then you should definitely try this method. If so, the camera will work normally in safe mode. To enable safe mode, please follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the power off screen appears. On the power off screen, tap and hold the power off icon until the safe mode option appears. After safe mode appears, tap safe mode. After tapping, your phone will restart to the home screen in safe mode. Please wait patiently. Then, in safe mode, open and use the camera again. If it works normally, it means there is a problem with a third-party application. You need to delete the downloaded software one by one and verify. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply restart your Android phone. If not, try the next method. Method 4 is updating the operating system. The operating system releases updates periodically, and these updates often include security patches or new features. If you haven't updated your operating system for a long time, the camera software on your Android phone may be incompatible with the operating system, causing the front camera to not work and show a black screen. To troubleshoot this problem, please try updating your operating system to fix the Android camera black screen. To check for Android operating system updates, please try the following steps. Open Settings, scroll down in the Settings interface and select Software Update. Then check if there are any pending updates. If there are, please download and install the software update immediately. After the update is complete, open the camera again to check if the Android phone camera black screen problem has disappeared. Method 5 is to clear the camera cache. During camera use, the camera automatically caches some files for your convenience the next time you use it. However, if there are too many problems with the camera cache, these caches may become problematic, and once the cache is problematic, the situation where the camera screen is black when you try to take a photo will occur. Clearing the camera cache will not cause you to lose photos and videos, so you can try it with confidence. The following are the steps to clear the camera cache. Long press the camera application, then tap the I button to open the application information menu. In the camera information menu, scroll down to find and tap the storage menu, then tap clear cache at the bottom of the screen. Once completed, try using the camera again. Method 6 is to reset the device. If none of the above methods can fix the Android camera black screen, then you can only try resetting your Android device. Resetting the device can solve most software problems on Android devices, but resetting will delete all data on your phone. If you have data on your phone that you need, please back up your data before resetting. Next, please follow these steps to try to fix the camera that doesn't work and has a black screen. To reset your Android phone, first tap your phone's settings, then find and tap General Management, find the Reset option in the General Management interface, and then find and tap Factory Data Reset. At this time, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will be erased. Finally, set up your Android phone again according to the on-screen prompts. After the setup is complete, open the camera application again and check if it is working normally. Method 7 is to contact the phone manufacturer. If even resetting the device doesn't solve the problem, then unfortunately, we cannot help you solve the problem of the Android camera screen being black but still taking pictures. This may be a hardware problem on your phone, which you cannot fix by solving software problems. We recommend that you contact your phone manufacturer to have them further inspect and repair your Android phone. Finally, we hope that your Android phone problem will be perfectly resolved as soon as possible. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us in the comments section which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think we have areas that need improvement, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.